This definitely isn't off grid. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having an awesome day today. Today's video is going to be a little update on the house. They got a lot of the electrical wiring ran. They got some, let's see. They got some of the most of the can lights are up. So I'll just walk around the house, give you guys a quick update of what they got going on. They're still lacking a few things here and there, but they're pretty close to getting this wrapped up, so we can get the ball moving on some other things. So let's take a look at some stuff. As you can see, this is where my breaker box is going to be. And that's a lot of wire running through the house to there. Looks like a mess, but they'll be able to figure it out pretty quick. They mark everything. They mark all the wires. I'll probably grab one that's not marked, but yeah, let's see here. Like you can see, it says, let's see if I go over there, garage lights, another one up there. So that's how they tell it apart. Let's look down here. What we got here? Kids playroom. This is going to be a 220 for a welder, and I got some other plans for that, but I'll share it with you guys later on. They got just the outlets up top in case I want to put a workbench up here. They'll have the outlets up there. Yeah, so right here in the garage, they got the garage pretty much wired up. Let's go in here in the house, and I'll show you guys. It's gonna get dark in here. It's because we don't have any electric in here yet. I'm gonna show you guys all the can lights we did. We end up doing like 40 can lights. It's pretty much like once you start putting a few can lights in the house, you might as well just put them everywhere. I mean, it's crazy. So we had like 40 of them. I'll show some of them to you guys. You can see what we're doing right here. We'll have 3 can lights here in the living room on each side. Right there's one. Boom, boom. Then the kitchen, we really wanted the kitchen to be like really bright, so we actually can have the same amount of can lights in the kitchen as we do in the living room in a smaller spot. It'll make for some good cooking videos in there, nice and bright. I had them run a stove outlet. This is going to be a countertop, just a stove cooktop. We're actually doing propane, but I had them go ahead and run a 220 over here, just for the future. If I ever want to go to electric, I can. I'll already have it wired up. So I went ahead. That won't be used right now, but never know. You might need it later on. Over here, we have a double oven. Actually, it's going to be just a single oven with the microwave up on top. So they got that all wired up. And I'll show you another thing too. We couldn't make up our mind on the fireplace where we wanted the TV. And I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. So this is going to be our fireplace. It's actually going to be the buck stove insert. So we couldn't decide if we want the TV up above the mantle or if we want it over in this corner. We went ahead and went with up here above the mantle. So they ran all, for the outlet for that, and then they actually went ahead and ran all the, if we ever do get cable, we haven't had cable in like 5 years, but satellite, if we ever do, they're running it for us. And they ran it into all the kids' rooms and all the rooms too. And we'll have a box, let me show you. We'll actually have a box set up for all the TVs and stuff over here in the linen closet. So it'll all come right here. It says data box, whatever. So this will all run into one little area inside the linen closet. And I'll show you right here in the kids' room. Up on the walls, if they ever want a TV up there, it'll all be wired up for it, ready to go. We don't plan on letting them have TVs in their room because we're going to have, I'll show you over here, the dining area. It's actually a formal dining room, but we're going to turn that into the kids, kind of like a den. And I'll show it to y'all. So when you come in the front door, you can turn right here to the, come in the front door, you turn right to your left. This is actually supposed to be a dining area, but we're not going to use it as that. We're going to use it for the kids' TV room, play area. So they actually have it up here. They'll have a TV up there. And that's the nook. That's where the dining area will be, is over here. Like I said before, this will be an island right here with the sink and all that. This is where the dining room will be. They got all wired up. we'll walk out here on the back porch and I'll show you guys that. That's basically it. I mean, all this they got pretty much wired up. So we went with 4 can lights out here on the back porch, and plus we put a ceiling fan. If we want lights on it, we can. And this one over here is where the cooking area is going to be. We'll have a gas grill, whatnot, and then a sink and all that. But I'm going to put a TV up here above the sink. So I had them put this light. I had them put that light on its own switch. So if we're wanting to watch TV, but we still want lights over here, I'll be able to turn that light off and we won't have a glare in front of the TV. Kind of thought of that. I was like, oh, that's a pretty good idea. So yeah, that's basically it. They got most of the wiring done. It looks like they probably got, I don't know, 85% of it wired up. There's a few things that I've noticed that aren't completely done. There's a few can lights they still got to hang, another vent or so, but they're really close. I'm guessing they get one more day out here, they'll be done. And let me get back in the light. They'll be done. And with their part right now, then I can get the plumbers out here to finish up, and I could get the insulation out here. They could spray. We're gonna do the spray foam insulation on all the walls. In the attic, they'll do a blow-in insulation. You guys know what I'm talking about. And it's not the same as the spray on. They'll blow it with a little machine or whatnot. But yeah, that's basically it so far. I haven't given you guys an update on the house in a few days just because we've been waiting on the electrician to get done. They're getting really, really close, so it's pretty exciting. Let's walk upstairs. I haven't walked upstairs yet, so let's walk up there and see what they got done up here. They may not have nothing done yet. You can see we got a couple can lights up the stairwell. Have a little light switch. Yeah, they got this done. I had them go ahead and wire up for 3 different lights just for good lighting up here. We went ahead and decided that mini split's going to work up here, so I got to get a hold of them too. They need to get out here and install that. Just a basic can light. What you doing, Gabs? Gabby? Hey, what are you doing? You want to come up here? Oh, you're chicken. Let's see. It's a bunch of wire. Let's see, they still got to hang some. What do you got going on here? All you electricians, you know what that's going on. Oh, our bedroom, we got 2 can lights in there. Like I said, once you start putting a couple can lights places, they can pretty much just go everywhere. I also had them wire this up on the wall right here for a security. So I can have a security monitor up there for all the cameras I'm going to be having out. And this is going to be a sliding barn door that slides this way, and they went ahead and wired it up for TVs like the other room. I don't know if we'll ever use it, but it'll be there if we do need to use it. I got outlets on the outside. I mean, it's just basic wiring of a house, I guess. And there might be some stuff that you guys see that's not done yet that they need to do, and we'll get on it, I hope. So yeah, if you guys got any comments down below, any suggestions about anything, leave comments down below. Let me know. I think everything's looking good. I mean, it looks basically like my house over there, the pole barn house. Whenever we wired it, you just got wire going everywhere. You got to mark it. You can see right here they got looks like they got all the, let me see here, need red. Yep. All right, hold on. All the cables right here they got them marked for bedroom, south bedroom, yeah. Shut, Gabby. Gabby, what are you doing? What are you doing? So that's it. Let's walk out here for a second, get some better lighting. So they're getting close, really, really close. Come on, Gabs, come on. they're getting really close on finishing up this rough end of the electrical. And as soon as they get that done, we'll be ready to rock and roll with some more. That's all the cable they're in. I guess the satellite will be out there somewhere. I don't know. Right, everybody. Hope you guys like this quick update of the electric. It ain't off grid, but I do with that outlet over there. I'll talk about that to you guys on another video, and also about which route I'm going right now as far as getting some power to my refrigerators if I need be, if the power does go out. I'll make another video on that. So if you guys like this one, smash that like button for me if you would. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe and click that little bell for notifications, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.